good morning ka-friendship. Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng pan-fried potatoes. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Hello everyone, this is Toto Mira. Sana samahan ninyo ako sa bawat pagluluto ko sa aking munting kusina. Here are the ingredients. Meron tayo ditong tatlong patatas. I-boil natin siya later and then hiwain into cubes. Meron tayo ditong isang kutsarang butter, 2 pirasong sweet ham. Ipiprito natin at hiwain din natin siya into maliliit. Meron tayo ditong pepper, onion, at saka 2 calamansi. And of course, we will be using cooking oil, salt, and pepper. Okay, so ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. Ito na po yung ating mga patatas. Pakuluan natin siya hanggang maluto. Okay, so babalikan natin siya later ka-friendship. Habang pinapakuluan natin yung ating patatas, ipiprito naman natin yung ating sweet ham. Okay, so sa isang preheated wok, maglalagay tayo ng butter. And maglalagay tayo ng konting cooking oil. Ayan. And then after that, ipiprito natin yung ating ham. Yung ham natin kanina ka-friendship, hiniwa ko na siya into maliliit. Ipiprito na lang muna natin siya ka-friendship hanggang maging golden brown yung ating ham. And ka-friendship, sa the same wok, sa pinagprituhan natin ng ham, ipiprito din natin yung ating onion at saka yung ating pepper. So ayan, igisa na lang natin siya dyan ng kaunti ka-friendship hanggang sa maluto yung ating onion at saka yung ating pepper. Friendship, luto na po yung ating patatas. So, alisin na lang muna natin siya sa tubig. I-cool down at saka hiwain natin into cubes. So, ayan na po siya ka-friendship. Hihiwain natin siya into cubes. Okay ka-friendship, ito na po yung ating patatas. Nahiwa na siya into cubes. So, what we're going to do next is ipiprito natin siya ka-friendship. Yung pan na pinagprituhan natin ng ating ham, pwede tayong magdagdag ng kunting cooking oil. And then, i-fry natin isa-isa yung hiniwa natin na boiled patatas. So, ayan siya ka-friendship. Baliktarin lang natin siya once in a while hanggang maging golden brown yung ating patatas ka-friendship. Na po ka-friendship, golden brown na yung magkabilang side ng ating hiniwang patatas. So, what we're going to do next is idagdag natin yung ating piniritong ham kanina at saka yung onion at pepper. Friendship, halo lang natin siya. Dagdag tayo ng konting salt. Ayan. At saka pepper. Mix it very well, ka-friendship. And then after that, ay mag-squeeze tayo ng dalawang calamansi to enhance the flavor of our pan-fried potatoes. So, yan ka-friendship. Ready for serving siya, ka-friendship. Ito na po yung ating finished product, yung ating pan-fry potatoes. So, ayan na siya, ka-friendship. I-garnish lang natin siya ng konting spring onion. Ayan. Masarap po siya, ka-friendship, pang side dish. So, ayan. Okay, ka-friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang dish natin sa araw na ito. Kindly hit that like and share button. And to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Tutu Mira at your service. Always remember that no one in this world is perfect. If you avoid people for their mistakes, you will be alone in this world. So, judge less and love more. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye.